What's so cool about the floral casting is that it really draws you in to the spirit closer to the surface. My name's Gabriel Franklin, born and raised in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Yeah, it's fucking epic here. What's so fun about doing these floral casting pieces is that you're kind of like making a little capsule of this beautiful, timeless perfection that is constant. It's always around us. It's like offering an opportunity for you to really not only be engaged with it and see it, something that you can hang and look at every day, but also like a reminder that, you know, sometimes it's good to slow down and pay attention to your surroundings out in your natural environment. So grateful to get to collaborate and be a part of this artist series where different people in the plaster world are eager to share aspects of what they've learned over the years. And it feels like a real blessing to be able to pass knowledge forward.